Hello friends, in previous video we have learned about return statements and now in this video we will learn about conditional statements. So basically we have three conditional statements. First is if, second is else if, and third is else. So these are the three conditions that we have and we can apply them wherever we want for some checking of conditions. Suppose we have two conditions A and B, then we will use if and else. And if we have more than two conditions or we have to check more than two things, then we can use if, else if and else. On the basis of condition, you can apply different function on appropriate conditions. So let's start coding. First I am deleting this thing again and saving this file and opening a new file. I have already created a new file, conditional operator, which contains the HTML tags only. So we have to declare two variables. First variable will be A and that holds a value 10, and a variable B which will hold the value 20. So what we are going to do here is we will check whether the number A is greater or B is greater. So for that purpose we have to just write if condition, and within the parenthesis we have to provide the condition A is greater than B. If this condition is true, what will happen? So we are creating a function document dot write, and that function will say or prints A is greater than B and semicolon. So this is our first condition, and what happens if this condition is false? Then we have to write else if. This else if says A equals to B. This double equals to means we are checking whether the variable A and the variable B holds the same value or the value are equal. And what if this happens? Then we have to create a function document.write which says A and B are equal. So, and the last and third and the last condition is else. What if both conditions are false? Then a only condition which is left is the variable A is less than the variable B. So we will write document.write, and that this says A is lesser than B or B is greater than A. And now when we save this file and open folder where we have saved the file, and our file name is conditional operator, so it says A is lesser than B. As we have assigned two values, A equals to 10 and B equals to 20, then we know B is greater than A or A is lesser than B. So one more thing, we can also make this program user friendly or interactive program by taking inputs from user for variable A and variable B. Then our program will be an interactive and more advanced program. So that's all for this video, and thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In next video we will learn about nested if else statements. Thank you.